hope the phone doesn't fall. Today I'm preparing to set up a microphone. That's it. You don't need more than just a bit of tape from the pharmacy. This is from my first aid kit. Now this goes on the clothing. It will be something like this, but inside. Let's do a quick test. Okay, I'm wearing right, left, right. I'm wearing the microphones and this is a test. 1, 2, 3. And this is a test. 1, 2, 3. I like it. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Level is manual 18. I will set it to okay. Level is automatic now. Music high sensitivity. I'm locking the controls and I'm recording. Pretty nice. This goes in my pocket. If there is something wrong with my right one, I will use the left one. I need to find something shiny. Okay, let's find something shiny. So the idea is you use the sunlight to reflect from a mirror and send a signal. This is if we find anything. Lots of garbage. Some glass, but it's not mirror. So if you ever see or hear 3 long pulses followed 3 short pulses followed by 3 long pulses and then 3 short pulses, then that's someone who needs help. So let's set it up and see if it works. If all goes well, at some point while I'm recording this sound, I will tell you when I do it, and you should be able to see some kind of light flashes in the middle of the screen. Somewhere around there. So I'll pause the video.